In this video, we're gonna put eBay's sneaker authentication process to the test. eBay recently has came out with their own authentication process, just like StockX, GOAT, SneakerCon, and some other platforms have as well. So how this authentication process works is very simple. You as the buyer purchase a pair of sneakers on eBay. The seller of the sneaker then ships the sneaker off to eBay's headquarters to authenticate the shoe. eBay does authenticate the shoe and they're using SneakerCon to do it, and then they ship off the sneaker to the buyer gets their shoe, the seller receives their money. SneakerCon has teamed up with eBay to authenticate these sneakers, and that is a huge deal. That's a huge bonus. That could change things later on in the sneaker game, in the sneaker world. StockX, GOAT, these other platforms might have some competition with eBay as they enroll this feature out more. So from what I understand about this, you need to spend, as of right now, $200 or more on Jordans and Yeezys only. On eBay, you will see listings with basically a check mark saying, yes, we will go ahead and verify this sneaker to make sure it's authentic before you get it in hand. So that's what you want to look out for. We're going to hop on eBay right now. I'm going to show you guys some listings of some really good deals on eBay. And then we'll get into my order that I did place about 2 weeks ago now from eBay. We have the eBay tape all over it, so make sure you guys stay tuned for the unboxing. We'll take a look and we'll make sure that that pair of Jordans is 100% real. So let's check out eBay. Let's go on the phone. Let's go sneaker shopping on eBay, and then we'll get into the unboxing and we'll see what I did purchase. Let's start off the screen recording right now on eBay, and let's take a look at some Jordans. I'm going to start with Jordan 1 because everyone loves Jordan 1s right now. Let's see what eBay does have. So right here, here's a great listing. You see where it says authentic guarantee, and then you have the little check mark next to it. That's what you're looking for. They are over $200, and that's what you're looking for, that little sign right there. They do have it right here on the metallic gold Jordan 1. Good deal, $220. With a bunch of sizes, you can choose your size, and then there it is. Free shipping, $220 shipped. That's a pretty good deal right now for those Jordan 1s. They do have a bunch of sneakers. Like I said, guys, it's Jordans and Yeezys right now, so stick to that for now. I'm sure as this opens up, they'll be doing more and more. Here we have some Jordan 1s right here as well with the authentic guarantee. That's what you're looking for. 160 to 190 depending on your price, well, on your size is the price. Ooh, here we go. These are so fire. I love these. The light smoke gray Jordan 1, $280, not bad. These prices are less than other competing platforms. No fees, no additional fees, nothing else. What you see is what you're paying, which is awesome here on eBay. eBay, I think, has really stepped up the game here with this one. It made it a lot easier to buy sneakers and sell sneakers. Ooh, some Jordan 1 mids. I love these mids. I do have a personal. These are very clean. You know what I'm looking for? I want to see if we could find a Jordan 1 biohack. I'm looking for a pair of biohacks. I do need a personal biohack. I don't have a personal biohack. $260. Not bad. Not bad. I do like the biohacks. I think the biohacks are pretty clean. They're out there. And it's one that I could use, I guess, in the collection. These are clean, though. You see, what you're looking for, once again, is that authentic guarantee. That little check mark does mean everything when it comes to eBay with their authentic process. You want that little process. So, guys, check it out. Tons and tons of deals on eBay. A lot of steals on eBay. And it even works with bidding auctions, which is awesome. So if you wind up getting the sneaker in a bid, and you wind up winning, if it has that little check mark, you're good to go. They will authenticate it to make sure it's legit. So that's awesome as well with the bidding feature. So make sure you guys check out eBay. Now let me show you guys the sneakers that I did pick up from eBay. Let's get into this unboxing, and let's make sure these kicks are real. So we got an unboxing here from eBay, as you guys can see by the eBay tape. I'm not really a fan of them putting eBay tape on here, but it is what it is. This sneaker took 2 weeks to come in. I placed the order on November 23rd, so we did have Thanksgiving and some other things, you know, weekends and all that. included in the 2 weeks, and it finally came in today on December 7th. So 2 weeks for this sneaker to come in. The day I purchased it, I received an email that the shoe was already shipped off from the seller over to eBay's facility. So that was extremely quick, and then a few days later, you know, Thanksgiving and weekend went by and all that, a few days later, I did receive an email that they passed the legit check and they were on their way to me. With everything going on in the world right now, I would assume it did take a little bit longer than normal. However, it was still pretty quick compared to other platforms right now. So, I want to tell you guys how much I paid for this sneaker. We'll talk about that after I show you guys the shoe. You're going to be mind blown on the price. Trust me, stick around. Let's get into this unboxing. Let's legit check these sneakers as well. I have a giveaway going on over on my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I'm giving away some Jubilee Jordan 11s and some Fire Red 4s, so make sure you guys go give me a follow over on Instagram. Check out the description down below for the rest of the giveaway details. Let's open these up. Let's take a look. I'm excited for this one because I haven't purchased a pair of sneakers from eBay in quite a while. It's been a while, like a long time, and I've been nervous about eBay. eBay's been, you know, not the greatest place to cop shoes, but now with this going on, I think it's awesome. So we got Meet Your Soulmates at the top of the box, and the bottom we got eBay Authentic Guarantee, and nothing else on the other side. And here we go, we got the Jordan 1 box right here. This is a pair of Jordan 1s that I know a lot of you are excited about. This shoe had a ton of hype. Resale has been crazy for this Jordan 1, and it will only go up from here. So if you don't have this Jordan 1, buy it now. So right here we do have a pair size 10.5. I did pick up another pair. I might keep these, I might not sure. I do have my personal pair already. And if you take a look, we do have a sticker on this box. I would assume that's the sticker that eBay and SneakerCon are using once they do legit check their sneakers. So that looks very dope on the box there. Let's take a look inside. Ooh, what's this? We have Authentic Without a Doubt, a little eBay card pamphlet here. Congratulations on adding another pair of sneakers to your collection. The enclosed pair have been meticulously, I can't pronounce that word, inspected by a team of professional authenticators. To learn more about your sneakers' authenticity, hold your NFC-enabled device near the authenticity guarantee tag until you receive a prompt. Then tap to view detailed information about your sneakers. Okay, so we're gonna try that. That's something different I haven't seen before. I think SneakerCon might do it. I know StockX and obviously GOAT don't do this, so I think it's coming from SneakerCon. I'm going to show you guys what that is in a second, if it is what I think it is. But right here, woo! Woo! We got the mochas. We got the Jordan 1 mocha right here. And as you guys can see, they do have that eBay tag right on top. So what we're going to do is we're going to scan that in a second, and it should come up with the order and everything like that, I'm assuming. That's going to be interesting to see. But right here, man, this is a beautiful, beautiful pair of Jordan 1s. I had to pick up another pair. I am looking for more pairs because these are going to skyrocket in price. So I just figured out I had to download an app on my phone in order to scan this eBay tag. While the app is downloading, I want to legit check the sneaker to make sure that this is a real pair. Let's do the blacklight test. If you guys don't have a blacklight, I do recommend copping one. I have a link for you down below in the description. Make sure you go cop one. It will help you legit check your sneakers. This looks pretty good so far. I am looking for a stamp. So if that stamp is on this shoe, we have a problem. Not only that, I can show you guys what I'm looking for, but I don't see that stamp on this shoe, which is a very good sign. Everything looks good about having them in hand right now. They look good. They smell good. This smells like a real pair. I, of course, want to make sure, but everything looks good. So looking for that stamp. I don't see anything here on the black light that shouldn't be here, which is awesome. So they do pass the black light check. How do they look to you guys? Let me know down below in the comments. Do they look real? Do they look fake? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. I do have my own personal real pair, so let me go ahead and pull those out, and let's do a little bit more of a legit check. So here is my personal pair, all laced up, ready to go. And here is the brand new eBay pair, both left sneakers. So you guys don't think that it's just, you know, the same shoe. Two different pairs right here, different sizes, everything like that. So eBay, man, changing up the game out here. These are fire. I'm happy we have a new platform to cop sneakers on. So the app is all ready to go. I just downloaded some NFC scanner app on my phone. Let's scan this eBay tag right now and let's see what happens. So it's gonna hit scan. It says ready to scan. Place the phone on top of the item you want to scan. Let's see how this goes. I've never done this before, so I really have no idea what I'm doing. Let's see if I can get this to work. There we go. Okay, we got something. Something triggered off. And what's this? I want to make sure my information is not here. It's not. Okay, good. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Dark Mocha. Authenticated on November the 30th. Condition new with box, size 10.5. There is the authentic guarantee by eBay with that tag. Something that's very, very dope. I wish other platforms did that as well. That is awesome. That shows that this shoe right here was purchased directly from eBay. You can see that the tag is not coming off. If you rip this off or anything, obviously it's going to be void. So that's awesome to see. Shout out to eBay for that one. So there you guys have it. Overall, my thoughts. This is straight fire. I'm excited for eBay, the future with sneakers and eBay. Thank you. Finally, some more competition. I love to see some competition. It's awesome. It's needed. It's necessary in the sneaker game. This is awesome, man. Another platform to cop sneakers on. If you're looking to cop some sneakers on eBay, I say go ahead and do it now. Make sure that they do have the authentic process guarantee, and you should be good to go, man. They came in clean. Now, let me tell you guys how much I paid. I paid $330 shipped for this sneaker. $329, excuse me, shipped for this sneaker right here. That is well below market. That's below the other platforms without fees and all that. $329 shipped. Everything out the door for the Mocha Jordan 1s on eBay. Let me know, did I cop a steal? Was it a deal? Or was that just too much? Which I know it wasn't. These sneakers will go up in price. I do recommend copping a pair now before the price is just crazy and before it's too late. Let me know what you guys think about eBay's legit check service down below in the comments. Have you used it yet? If you have, leave a comment and let me know your thoughts and experiences with it. Make sure you guys check out eBay. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching.